Welcome back to this video. If you have Facebook account, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see top 3 settings to secure your Facebook account from hackers right now. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Facebook account. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Facebook account. Then having opened up your Facebook account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon from the top corner side right here. Then you take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to settings and privacy. So click on that. Then you take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to go to privacy. So to take you right here, next thing you need to do is to click on privacy checkup. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on how to keep your account secure. So it's going to take you right here. How to keep your account secure. You are all set. No security action are recommended at this time around. This is because I have already enabled these 3 steps. But from your own hand, if you have not enabled these 3 steps, one of the first steps here is your password. You need to make sure you set a very strong password into your account. The second one here is 2-factor authentication. Make sure you link a phone number to your Facebook account for. Then the very last one right here is login alert. So login alert is always need to be on to protect your account from being hacked. So for you to review, simply click on review right here. So click on review. Then right here, you will have to be set a new password from your hand. But for the fact that I've already turned on this password and it has been very much okay, I'm going to click on skip right here. So I'm going to skip. So the next one right here is 2-factor authentication. Because I've already turned it on, there is no need of me to set it up again because you only turn on 2-factor authentication once. And 2-factor authentication is always good to secure and protect your Facebook account from being hacked. So from your own hand, what you need to do is to make sure you turn 2-factor authentication. Having turned it on, move to the last third step, which is control alert. So under the control alert, make sure this is turned on. With that, your Facebook account has been fully secure from being hacked. No one can hack your Facebook account if you eventually set up these 3 settings I show you right here in this video. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.